Does your laundry come out smelly? Make sure to clean the washing machine drum regularly. 1. Run a cleaning cycle. Many washing machines have a built-in cleaning cycle or a tub clean function that uses hot water and detergent to clean the drum and the dispenser. 2. Clean with vinegar and baking soda. Mix a solution of 1 cup of white vinegar and 1/4 cup of baking soda in a spray bottle. Spray the solution into the drum and use a damp cloth to wipe down the drum. Run an empty load on the hottest setting to rinse away the solution. 3. Scrub with a brush. For a more thorough cleaning, use a stiff bristled brush to scrub the drum and the dispenser. Mix a solution of warm water and mild detergent and use it to scrub the drum. Wipe the drum and the dispenser clean with a damp cloth and run an empty load on the hottest setting to rinse away any remaining dirt or detergent.